Good morning everyone. This is Pavani. Today I would like to explain for 10th standard the poem, the sixth poem, that is Abandoned. And this poem was written by Dr. Suraya Nasim. This poem was written by whom? Dr. Suraya Nasim. It is an interesting poem. So let us concentrate, every one of us. Okay. So what is the meaning of actually abandoned? Abandoned means left something or somebody forever. Okay. Left something or somebody forever. That is called what? Abandoned. Now let us see. Abandoned to the garbage bin. Okay, something was abandoned to the garbage bin. Garbage means what? The dust bin. Okay, on the roadside we can see the dust, whatever we are using in our house, whatever the dust is there, that we throw in the garbage bin. Okay, with mosquitoes and insects eating its tiny fingers away, little baby crying for help. That means what was left in the garbage bin? What was left? What was abandoned in the garbage bin? A small baby, infant baby was put in the garbage bin. Not put, thrown in the garbage bin. Okay. So with mosquitoes and insects, so whatever the food, whatever the waste food we don't use, we throw in the garbage bin, right? So for that all we can see the flies, mosquitoes will be on that. So there in that garbage bin, a small baby was lying, okay, eating its tiny fingers away. So the insects and the mosquitoes, they are eating the tiny fingers of the baby. Little baby crying for help. Now what the little baby is doing, when the mosquito bites, immediately we try to beat on the mosquito where it is biting, right? Whereas infant baby, can he or she does that? No, they cannot. But here the little baby was crying for the help, but no one is seeing actually from where the cry, where they can hear the cry sound. There, no one is bothered about that in that busy street. So now see here, as foul smell comes into play. Foul smells means what? Bad smell. What is the meaning of foul smell here? Bad smell. Irradiating from disposed bacteria. So irradiating, what is the meaning of irradiating? Sending rays of light upon. Irradiating means what? Sending rays of light upon. Okay, so now here, as the foul smell, for example, if at all, if anything has dead in our house like rats or cats or something, okay, generally rats only will be moving here and there in many of our houses, right? So once when it dies, we get the bad smell. When we get the bad smell, immediately we try to check in our house whether any rat is dead, like that, isn't it? So in the same way, in the garbage bin also, if something is like in some houses, if the dead rats were there, they go and throw in the garbage bin only. So from that also we get the bad smell, right? So now here, unheard shrieks of the baby's hysteria. Hysteria means what? Uncontrolled excitement. Hysteria means what? Uncontrolled excitement. So now unheard shriek. Shriek means a short, loud cry. It is a short but loud cry. Okay, now the baby is crying. Okay, so here cry means we can understand the sound also. Okay. So now what the baby is doing, as the insects are biting her, insects are trying to like what sting her. Then what happened here, once when they were doing that, the baby is getting the pain. So because of that pain and because of the weather, if it is too hot the baby cries, if it is too cool the baby cries. And even though if the baby feels to eat something, like what infant baby means, infant baby, what do they have? Generally milk. Okay, so because of hunger also the baby cries. Now what happened, unheard shrieks of the baby's hysteria die in airy silence of the night. Die in airy silence of the night means what? Airy means what? Causing a feeling of mystery and fear. Causing a feeling of mystery and fear. So now the baby doesn't know where the baby is. Baby is crying and no one can hear the baby's cry. Okay, no one is least bothered about to see who is crying in the dustbin, from where the cry is coming. Okay, where they can hear that sound, they are not at all seeing. And outcast of destiny, its labored breath, racing in quick gasps, forced lonely like crab. Crab means what? Solid waste. The baby was as if no one is bothered about the baby. No one is listening to the baby cry. The baby is thinking that I am the solid waste. Okay, solid waste means the baby is in which form now? Solid. Okay, this as if I am a solid waste. Okay, now see here, forced lonely like crab with the cyanosed lips. Cyanosed lips means what? a deep greenish blue colored. Okay, so the infant baby lips have become, actually infant baby means pinkish or red color we can see, generally pink, light pink we can see, but now the lips have become which color? Cyanosed lips means what? A deep greenish blue colored lips. The lips have become blue colored because the baby is completely day and night. The baby is in the garbage bin only. Okay, because of the coolness or because of the hotness or because of all these insects are biting. Because of that, the baby has become like that. Okay, then sea blue nose and fingertips. It's a tattered and torn, dirty wrap. Make it shiver in freezing grasp. A filthy black cat edges onto the old bin, searching for easy rats and finds its food. So now what happened? The insects are biting her like anything, biting the baby like anything. The nose, the fingers, okay, small nose, the small little fingers, okay. It's tattered and torn, dirty wrap. So it's tattered. Tattered means completely it was like torn. The blood is coming out, okay. And make it shiver in freezing grasp. So now as the okay, if at all, if we get a cool breeze, how we become in winter season, generally if at all if it is too cool, we cannot, we try to cover our body. Even though we have a dress, we are feeling that much cool. The baby is without the dress in the garbage bin, how the baby must feel, and that too small baby, okay, newborn baby. Then a filthy black cat, at that time only a filthy black cat has come, okay, and edges onto the whole bin. So it sat on the edges onto the whole bin. Okay, the dustbin is having a hole, so it is trying to peep to search for the rats, whether any rat is there for my food. Like that, it is searching for the easy rats and finds its food. In that way, it will try to find out the food. What it eats, generally it eats the rats. Now you can see the picture here. Okay, it's a very clear picture is given here. The small baby is here. Okay, small baby is in the dustbin, but no one, when the baby is crying, no one hears the sound of that baby. Why? Because they are busy, they cannot concentrate on what is happening or what is the sound of the baby, where the baby is crying. Okay, they are not at all listening. Okay, now see here, tearing at the baby's hair with their sharp teeth, gnawing at its ears to complete their feed. So now what the cats are doing? So tearing the baby's hair. Okay, they are tearing the baby's hair with their sharp teeth. Okay, sharp teeth means like here biting. Okay, biting steadily at something. Okay, biting steadily at something. Gnawing means what? Here the meaning is that biting steadily at something to complete their feed. Okay, to complete their food, they are doing that. As the cat jumps in with a screeching meow, the rats let loose. So now who is who is tearing the baby's hair? The rats are tearing the baby's hair. Okay, now who has come to catch the rats? Cat has come to catch the rats. So when the cat has come, the rats were doing all this. Okay, so like what? They are gnawing at its ears. Gnawing means what is the meaning of gnawing here? Biting steadily at something. Okay, they were biting steadily, means with full of concentration. They sat there and they were doing that. Okay, to complete their feed. As the cat jumps in with a screeching meow, when the cat comes, it gives the sound meow. Okay, the rats let loose. Immediately the rats will try to escape from that place to protect themselves. A clicking squeak, a bloody chaos ensues, the only sin of the infant being born. So now see here what happened. The child, the baby, even though the baby can't speak, but the baby is feeling that, see, I have born like this, I have born like a human being, but I am in the garbage bin. I have born like a human being, but I am in the garbage bin. Okay, so just what is the sin, what is the mistake I have done? Being born. Okay, the child is posing a question. Being born, I have done a mistake. Why am I here? Why my mother has thrown me here in the garbage bin? Okay, whatever the problem may be, she must not put me in the garbage bin. See, no one is showing mercy. Okay, no one is listening the baby's cry. So now the baby felt like that. Okay, and this was written by whom? Dr. Suraya Nasim. I hope everyone have understood. Listen once again here. she tries to tell the baby's feelings. Okay, Suraya Nasim, how the people are, they never bother what is happening around them in their surroundings, what are happening, what is happening, they are least bother about that in their busy life. But we should never do such things in our life. When there is when there is someone in need of help, definitely we should try to help. The baby is crying for the help, but no one has come to help the baby. But because of these people, the baby was dead. Not because of mother only, we cannot say because of mother the baby was dead. Though the people are hearing the baby's cry, they did not come to see and they did not come to help the baby. So because of all of them, the baby was not alive. Okay, so we can understand now what the baby is feeling here. Being born, I have done a mistake. Okay, what, see here, the only sin of the infant. Okay, infant means what? Newborn baby. The only sin of the infant is being born. The newborn baby must think like that? No. Everyone should think that what they have done, what big mistake they have done. They are not at all caring what is happening around them. Okay, so Dr. Suraya Nasim tries to tell that people are like this and people should change their attitude. They must help others when they are in need. Okay, and they have to see for others help. You should not be busy with your works. Okay, this is only about abandoned poem. Okay, and this was written by Suraya Nasim. Once have a glance on the poem, read thoroughly to get a clear understanding. So thank you everyone.